Would you like to share your shopping experience with India Chowk?
Yeah, it's a very beautiful shop, and I like the idea. It's a very customer focused. The staff is very friendly, and it actually covers a wide variety of Indian food, Sri Lankan food, Fijian food, and also the food is very fresh, which actually has impressed me quite a lot. It's just like actually gives you the feeling that you are at home, actually. And like samosas, kachoris, and it's coming up with a very nice range of foods. Also, we get the same taste of what we get at home.
So what's your favorite food over here?
Kachoris.
Kachoris.
Kachoris are actually, to be honest, well, kachoris and patties. Patties are actually where I am from. It's actually very popular. So and exactly the same patties. I don't miss anything.
Okay, so you are not missing anything from India. You're getting everything.
Yep. And as I said, also congrats to you guys. You're doing a great job. It's a very sort of customer focused. So,
Thank you.
Thank you.